Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to download OWASP Broken Web Application Project. It is a collection of vulnerable web applications that is distributed on a virtual machine in VMware format compatible with their no-cost VMware Player and VMware Sphere Hypervisor. So now let's see how we can download OWASP BWA. So what you need to do is you need to type OWASP BWA OWA file and hit enter. So after hitting enter you will find so many links. So what you need to do is you need to click on this particular third link, which is osdn.net. So when you click on this particular link you will find this particular page. So when you scroll down you will see these files. So what you need to do is you need to click on this particular file, which is .owa. Okay, so when you click on this particular file it will show you this kind of interface. So when you click on this particular link, which is OWASP Broken Web App VM. So after clicking on this particular link you will find you are redirected towards the source files. So it will start downloading your OWASP VWA. So this is very large file. It will take lots of time. As you can see that it is 2.4 GB file. Okay, so when you click on OK button it will start downloading. Okay, so this is how we can download OWASP Broken Web App for the Windows. Thank you for watching this lecture.